Do you feel like your website is not getting you the leads and sales that you're hoping for? Or maybe do you feel like your visitors just don't seem to take action? They're not filling out that form, they're not starting that chat, and they're not picking up the phone to call you. Or maybe you've invested a lot of time and money designing a beautiful website that honestly doesn't perform that much better than your old one. If you can relate to any of this, listen, I'd love to help. My name is Fernando Diaz, and I'm an adventure educator for the ATTA. I've been doing sales and marketing for the last 16 years. For the longest time, I was trying to make websites work, and I have to admit, I really struggled at first. I didn't know how to design an engaging website, I didn't know what I had to say or where the different elements or buttons needed to go, and I certainly didn't know how to convert visitors into leads or actual sales. That has all changed thanks to a proven framework for designing successful websites and to a simple methodology for getting visitors to give you their contact details. And I'd love to show you how to do the same thing. I'm teaching 2 courses together with the ATTA, one on web design and one on sales funnel. And these courses are for absolutely anybody who has a website and who wants to turn that website into a profitable stream of leads and sales for their business. In these courses, I'll show you how to design high converting websites, and I'll show you how to create an irresistible bait to get your visitors to give you their contact details and lead them down a sales funnel. So click to learn more and register for these courses. It's time to get you a website that works, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there.